The Elder Impulse System is a technical study or indicator designed to show when trend and momentum appear to be moving in the same direction. Dr. Alexander Elder created the tool to help traders read market conditions more clearly by changing the color of price bars according to the relationship between trend and momentum. Instead of looking at raw price action on its own, the indicator combines two separate measures, the direction of a moving average and the movement of the MACD histogram. The trend element is based on a 13-period exponential moving average. This helps show whether the market is generally moving higher or lower. The momentum element comes from the MACD histogram, which helps show whether momentum is strengthening or weakening. When both the moving average and the MACD histogram are rising, the Elder Impulse System shows positive alignment between trend and momentum. This is usually displayed with green bars. It suggests that buying pressure may be stronger during that period. When both the moving average and the MACD histogram are falling, the system shows negative alignment between trend and momentum. This is usually displayed with red bars. It suggests that selling pressure may be stronger during that period. When the signals are mixed, the bars are usually shown in blue. This means trend and momentum are not fully aligned. The market may still be moving, but the signal is less decisive. For many traders, this can be a useful indication that conditions are more mixed or uncertain. The value of the Elder Impulse System is that it gives a quick visual reading of price behavior. A series of green bars may suggest that upward momentum remains consistent. A series of red bars may suggest that downward momentum remains consistent. A shift into blue may show that momentum is becoming less clear. One of the key points is that the Elder Impulse System should not be treated as a standalone buy or sell signal. It is better understood as a trend and momentum filter, helping traders assess whether market conditions appear aligned, whether price pressure may be strengthening, and whether momentum could be starting to fade. Used with support and resistance, broader market context, and appropriate risk management, the Elder Impulse System can make chart analysis easier to interpret and support a more structured trading process.